Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Anydesk on both machines and opening it now. Enter the remote Anydesk address and send a connection request. Wait for the user to accept. While waiting, make sure file transfer permissions are enabled in settings right arrow security on both sides so transfers are allowed. Once connected, open the Anydesk window and select the File Transfer tab. This is the fastest path to move files without screen sharing. Follow prompts for authentication if requested. Now you perform the actual transfer. Choose the File Transfer tab or use drag and drop between local and remote file panes. Navigate to the source folder, select Files or Folders, and pick the destination path on the other device. Click Send or Transfer and confirm any overwrite or rename prompts so nothing is lost. Keep an eye on the progress bar and transfer speed. If a large file stalls, pause and retry or split into smaller chunks to reduce timeout risk and ensure completion. Finish by verifying the transferred files, open them or check sizes and checksums to confirm integrity. Once satisfied, close the Anydesk session and remove any temporary permissions you granted for security. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Split large files into smaller parts and retry. This often bypasses timeouts or bandwidth limits. Also make sure both apps are updated and local firewalls or routers aren't blocking the Anydesk ports before attempting again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.